दिन यहाँ प्रोग्राम होते हैं, सैकड़ों हजारों मुसलसल प्रोग्राम होते हैं और इसका सेहरा सिर्फ एक ही शख्स के सर है जिसने नामुमकिन को मुमकिन बनाया। This is only because of his extraordinary vision, brilliance, commitment and passion for promotion of art and culture in Pakistan. He's
Shahid Ghani, Minister, Labour, DCPO Karachi, Chairman Sindh Higher Education Commission, Secretary Culture, Excellency Ambassador of Philippines, Morocco and Palestine, the Consul General of Germany, the Deputy High Commissioner of UK, Sri Lankan Deputy High Commissioner or CG, whatever you say, and Alliance Director Goethe and Honorary Consul General of Morocco, Yemen, Philippines, and my friend Boss Akbar, Spanish, and my friend Director General of Azerbaijan, Embassy of. The biggest support, our supporter, you sir, the Chief Minister and Government of Sindh. So please have a big hand for Government of Sindh. And Baqir sir, a brother, we knew each other since last 24 years. And our friendship between UAE and Pakistan is also growing. So I'm especially thanks to Alliance Française, the Goethe Institute, French Embassy, CM Sahab, French mural painters once here. They brought French amazing theatre group partnership. They will teach our students there in NYU Abu Dhabi. It's a big landmark. Yeah. And we signed UMOU between Institute in Kuwait, Azerbaijan, Nepal for the cultural collaboration, and we are sending our students there, and especially from Germany, from British Council. They offered us support for our capacity building. They will train our team, our production people, our lighting people. We will do better a lot. तो आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और बहुत सारे चीज़ें खास तौर पे दिए। CM साहब हमें दो मेरे दोस्त हैं, खालिद महमूद गैट्स फार्मा, उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया हमें विदाउट एनी के जी हमें ये दे या शाहिद मलिक हेटर, जितना मैंने परेशान किया है चीफ सेक्रेटरी साहब ने मुसलसल मेरे साथ रहे, CCPO कराची का डायनामिक मैन, और कोई दिन ऐसा नहीं था और सबसे पहले मुझे रिप्लाई भी करते थे। सो ओडो साहब के लिए भरपूर तालियां। और एडिशनल आईजी who is leading the force there, आम सुमरो, और डायनामिक DG मोफा, संडे को भी उसने हमें लगवा के दिए हैं वीजे, रात को 12 बजे भी he called every ambassador and consul general के और टाइम में वीजा लगा के दिए हैं। Azerbaijan and so many other countries. Syria is also here. Tell me if I forgot. Yeah, Bangladesh. Two beautiful singers are here, and we received earlier the painters from there. 10 artists from here. Thank you, Ravati. We have 12 artists from Sri Lanka. Thank you. और CM साहब एक बात सुने, आपके कोई दोस्त हैं जो पिटारों में भी आपके साथ थे, और मैं अभी नाम and thank you so much Ambassador Morocco and the dynamic Consul General Mr. Mirza Ishtiaq Beg. Thank you so much Ishtiaq Beg sahab. We receive art from Yemen as well. So thank you, all of you. I don't want to say much. This is the last day of this festival, and I want to announce the date of the next festival. हमने एक global एक community है जो aware है, they are against violence, they are for peace, they are pro-environment, they are against women harassment, they are, if they believe on equality of gender, they are against child abuse. Show your hand that you all are with that, the whole, yeah. So we want peace all around the world. No more war, please. All the politicians, artists don't want war. Pakistan! Pakistan!
The artists from all over the world who are present here today, and for all those artists who came here over the last 39 days and performed at this fabulous event organized by the Arts Council of Karachi. He's going to have another event next week there, and he promised that he'll do it again, and he'll do it at a much bigger scale, and he kept up his promise. I understand more than 140 countries were represented. I could have asked him, but I know he would have gone to, and I am sure, I know even the countries were not present, yet people planted that he'd take a name and somebody would say, yes, I'm from that country. No, I believe you. And actually he's got this memory that if I told him, he would actually have named all the 1,000+ artists who would come here. So thank you for sparing us. The capital has moved to Islamabad, but the cultural capital is still Karachi. Karachi is alive, it's vibrant, and it's very unpredictable also. We've seen all kinds of events happening here in Karachi, good and bad. For us in Sindh, in the government of Sindh, culture is not our policy. Culture is our identity. And I'm really grateful to the Arts Council of Pakistan, Culture Department. Unfortunately, the Minister had to be in Lahore. He is not here, the Secretary of the Department is here. They have worked very hard. And the number of events that I've seen in the last year and a half far exceed events that have been happening before. And for us, this is an answer to the violence and to wars going out around. It had two main goals or mottos. First was to have peace out of wars. And I believe during this 39-day festival, you had several short films, you had performances which would highlight climate change and which would highlight the environmental vulnerability that we're facing right now. And apart from that, all the diplomats here in Karachi, who I'm sure all of them must have come here at one time or the other during this festival for all your help, and to the more than 1,000 artists who traveled from all over the world. It's not a policy, it's our identity. And we've got a history which is so rich, a cultural history which is so rich, and I think we've only scratched the surface till now. In the assembly, the other provinces do have non-Muslims, but they have been elected on the reserve seats. Obviously, we do have non-Muslims on the reserve seats, but in every provincial assembly for the last, 6 or 7 elections, if I remember correctly, और मैं खास तौर पे कराची के शहरियों का बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन्होंने इतना बड़ा इवेंट इस शहर में करके दिखाया। इस वक्त हमारे शहर में आज ये ख़त्म हो रहा है जो वर्ल्ड कल्चर फेस्टिवल, और कल हमने नेशनल गेम्स का इफ्तिताह किया है चेयरमैन बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी साहब ने, जो 18 साल बाद कराची में हो रहे हैं, और इंशाल्लाह ये अगला हफ्ता चलते रहेंगे। So Karachi is a happening place. Yes, we have our problems. All major cities have their problems. we're not, I'm not happy about a lot of things that are happening here. लेकिन इस शहर के लोगों को दाद देता हूँ कि इस मुश्किल में एक हम कैचअप नहीं कर सके उस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को, उस आबादी को फैसिलिटेट करने के लिए, और उसी की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो मैं कराची के शहरी को ख़ास तौर पर शुक्रगुजार हूँ। ये सारे इवेंट्स, और ये एक नहीं है, अगर मैं आपको गिनवाऊँगा, हमने कई इवेंट्स, मेगा इवेंट्स, और सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे सामने हमारी सिंध पुलिस बैठी है, उनके साथ उनकी जगह होती है, लेकिन ये वो लोग हैं, अहमद शाह तो 40 दिन के लिए 18 घंटे 24 में से 18 काम करते हैं, ये पूरा साल 24 में से 18 घंटे काम करते हैं ताकि इस शहर में बेहतरी आए और उसके साथ साथ कितने बड़े मेगा इवेंट्स हो सके। सब लोगों का शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिन लोगों ने इस इंटरनेशनल फेस्टिवल को कामयाब किया, और इंशाल्लाह आगे भी हम और बड़े पैमाने पर करते रहेंगे। शायद मुल्क ख़त्म हो जाए फिर हमें नए मुल्क बनाने पड़े। अहमद शाह की जो क्या मुझे लफ्ज़ नहीं आता, इज हंगर और इज डिज़ायर टू जस्ट मेक मोर एंड मोर नंबर्स, वी हैव टू मेक मोर कंट्रीज। हमेशा कहता हूँ दिस गोज़ फॉर ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ political activities, cultural activities, sports activities। हम ऐसा ना करें कि हम बाकी किसी एक को भी तकलीफ आती है तो फिर आपका सारा जो आपकी सेलिब्रेशन है वो उसका मज़ा बेहतर हो जाता है। तो लेट्स एंजॉय, लेट्स कंटिन्यू एंजॉइंग, और इंशाल्लाह आप सबको इस इंटरनेशनल कल्चर फेस्टिवल का इख्तिताम मुबारक हो, और उसके साथ साथ आज जो सिंधी कल्चर डे है उसकी भी मुबारकबाद हो। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
To give away the shields as a token of appreciation and acknowledgement.
After this, we have a grand celebration. Our Sindhi music, our foreign music. So, Sindh is always a land of peace and love. So this Ajrak represents the Sindh province. It's a tradition of 5,000 old civilization, Mohenjo-daro. So I want to present this Ajrak to you, sir. And because you are carrying the torch, thank you so much.
चैनल थिंक टीवी HD को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें और बेल आइकन का बटन दबाएं ताकि हमारी नई आने वाली वीडियोस पर वक्त आप तक पहुंच सकें। शुक्रिया।